So friends, biometric attendance systems are becoming essential for modern businesses that want streamlined operations and improved security. Many organizations use biometric devices from brands like ZKTeco, eSSL, and other These devices can be smoothly integrated with cloud applications using the CAMS Biometrics API, which supports a wide range of biometric machines. Before starting the API integration, you must first confirm whether your device is compatible with the CAMS native web API. Once your device has been successfully verified, you can proceed with the native push API integration. However, if the verification failed, it may indicate that the device does not meet the required protocol standards, has incompatible firmware, or is experiencing communication errors. In such cases, a hybrid push service is recommended.
Now, let's start verifying the device with the bot. You can easily verify your device by using our developer bot. Open the link https://developer.camsbiometrics.com. Our developer bot is designed to check whether biometric devices from other brands support our API communication. If you're using a biometric machine from a brand other than CAMS, you can proceed with the verification process. First, provide the requested details such as your name, phone number, email address, country, and time zone. Next, enter your device information carefully. Fill in the brand name, device model, and the device serial number. Make sure the serial number is entered correctly. Even a small mistake in the serial number may cause the verification to fail, even if your device is actually compatible. After entering all details, click the Next button. Before starting the verification process, click the Learn More link for network and server configuration settings. This page provides step-by-step instructions for configuring your biometric machine to connect with a web server. First, connect an Ethernet cable to the biometric machine. Once connected properly, you will see the Ethernet icon on the home screen without a red cross mark. If the Ethernet cable is not connected properly, the Ethernet icon will appear with a red cross mark on the home screen. If this happens, check your network connection. Then go to Menu Communication Settings, Ethernet or Network Settings. Make sure that the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS address match the settings of your local internet network. If you're unsure about your network settings, follow the instructions provided in steps 5 and 6 to check them. If DHCP is enabled under the Ethernet settings, the network details will be assigned automatically. In that case, you do not need to manually verify the network information. After this, return to the home screen and check the Ethernet icon again. If the Ethernet icon appears without any red mark, you can proceed with the server configuration. Go to Menu, then navigate to Communication Settings and select ADMS or Cloud Server Settings, depending on your device model. Now configure the following settings. Turn off Enable Domain Name. Enter the IP address as 152.53.172.248. Set the port number as 8123. Turn off Enable Proxy Server. As an additional check, if your device has an HTTPS option, make sure it is turned off. Once the network and server configuration are completed successfully, you will see both the network icon and server icon on the home screen without any red marks. Now your device is ready to communicate with our bot. Return to the bot, check the confirmation checkboxes, and click Next after completing all settings mentioned in the Learn More section. From this point, the bot will begin verifying your device by giving action required instructions. Click Next to continue. If all settings are configured correctly, your device will successfully connect with the bot. The bot will confirm that the device is connected and will guide you through the remaining steps to complete the verification. Now you will see two options. If you want to test only real-time attendance data transmission, select option A. If you want to test both real-time attendance data and user management on the device, select option B. Now, I'm going to select option B for full API support. After selecting the option, the bot will provide the next action required instruction. First, the bot will ask you to add a new dummy user to the device. Add one new user on the device according to the bot's instructions. Once the user is added, the bot will confirm that the new user with the specified ID has been successfully detected. Next, the bot will remove the user you just added. Wait for about 5 to 30 seconds, then check the user list on the device. If the user has been deleted successfully, click the Yes, Deleted button. After that, the bot will re-add the same user with a different ID starting with 900,000. For example, if you initially added the user with ID 1, the bot will remove it and re-add the user as 900000001. Once you confirm that the user has been added again, record an attendance punch for that user using the same fingerprint or card you registered. After the attendance punch is successfully captured, the bot will verify the device compatibility. Finally, you will see a confirmation message saying, "Congratulations! Your biometric device with a given serial number has been successfully verified for full API support." Once your device is successfully verified, contact the CAM sales team to generate the API invoice.